Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a real estate blog with WordPress, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start a real estate blog with WordPress, begin by choosing a domain name. Select a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Visit a domain registrar to check the availability of your chosen name. Once you find an available domain, purchase it. Next, choose a hosting provider for your website. Look for a provider that offers WordPress compatibility and good customer support. Sign up for a hosting plan that fits your budget and requirements. After signing up, you will get the option to install WordPress. Most hosting providers have a one-click installation option. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Once installed, log in to your WordPress dashboard using the credentials provided. Now, choose a theme for your blog. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New. Search for real estate themes or explore popular options. Install and activate a theme that aligns with your blog's goals. Customize your theme by navigating to Appearance and then Customize. Here, you can change colors, fonts, and layout options to suit your style. Next, create essential pages for your blog. Go to Pages, then Add New, and create an About, Contact, and Home page. Use these pages to inform visitors about your blog and services. Now, install necessary plugins to enhance functionality. Some useful plugins include SEO tools, social media sharing, and contact forms. To install a plugin, navigate to Plugins, then Add New. Search for the desired plugin, then click Install and Activate. After setting up your pages and plugins, add your first blog post. Go to Posts, then Add New, and start writing about a relevant real estate topic. Use engaging images and headings to enhance readability. Make sure to optimize your post for search engines using keywords. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.